Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Thursday the 6th of October. The euro recorded gains for a second straight day against its major counterparts. This came as a response to speculation that we will witness a shift to the European Central Bank's monetary policy, which may calm investors' nerves about the eurozone's future. Plans to recapitalise eurozone's banks, along with IMF comments that implied that financial help could be extended to Spain and Italy, captured investors' attention. Versus the US dollar, the single currency rose to 133.83 from 132.60. The euro also marched higher against the Swiss franc from 122.17 to 123.55. Against the Japanese yen, the euro climbed to 102.72 from 101.60. The globe will turn its attention now to the ECB's last policy meeting under Trichet, where a cut or not in the ECB's lending rate will be decided. The US dollar produced mixed results against a basket of currencies after ADP non-farm employment showed better than expected results, whereas data from Chicago-based Challenger showed a 211% change in the number of jobs cuts announced by employers. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar climbed to 0.9251 from 0.9161. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback rose to 77.07 from 76.61, with the pair remaining in a tight range for yet another day in speculation of a Japanese intervention to weaken the yen. The Australian dollar mounted to 0.9667 from 0.9487 against the US dollar as risk appetite is back on the table. The British pound also rose against the US dollar and traded as high as 154.92 from 153.93. The Bank of England interest rate meeting is highly anticipated, with speculators arguing for additional quantitative easing. The central bank can do that by buying financial assets in order to inject money into the economy. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices rise to $79.80 a barrel from $76.91. Gold put a stop on its Tuesday's losses and climbed to $1,646.91 an ounce from $1,597.55. And silver also rose to $30.61 an ounce from $28.40. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 133.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 133.75. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.97 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.97. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 154.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 154.70, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 103.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.80. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 77.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 77.90. The gold pivot point is at 1617 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1617, and the silver pivot point is at 29.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 29.40. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. And on today's calendar, the market movers are the Swiss Consumer Price Index for September forecast to fall to 0%. Canadian building permits in September forecast to fall to 0.3%, and USD unemployment claims for the past week forecast to rise to 410,000. Now onto equity markets. US equities were positive with the SP 500 up 1.79% and the Dow was up 1.21%. European bourses were also positive with the FTSE up 4.22%, the DAX was up 4.91% and the CAC was up 4.33%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.38% and the Hang Seng was up 3.98%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.